GAI is a family-owned company founded in 1946 and has always been run by the GAI family. I represent the third generation that has control of the company today. We manufacture bottling machines. We are strong in wine, beer, and for the past few years, in spirits and soft drinks. Our specialty extends beyond design, as we also fully manufacture all the components that make up the machine. This has required us to make large investments in logistics, both to optimize production and to better manage service and after-sales.
Over the years, GAI has made substantial investments in logistics automation. In fact, several years ago, the ownership chose Modula to install the first automated vertical warehouses. Previously, we relied entirely on the expertise of our warehouse staff who retrieved materials from shelves and supplied them to assemblers located at the various assembly stations. With the installation of the Modula vertical warehouse systems, we had to make a mindset change as people had to start learning that it was no longer them going to find the materials, but rather, the materials were being delivered to them by the Modula warehouse. However, as they began to experience the advantages of picking from the Modula units, which delivered materials that were counted, organized, and labeled, this change in mindset became more firmly established, to the extent that the number of Modula units installed has continued to grow year after year. Beginning of the new year, the ownership decided to add the last 2 Modula units to the existing ones, as we needed to stock parts in the form of metal sheets and very long bars. Previously, this had always been managed using conventional shelving and manual retrieval. However, with the recent integration of these new Modula units, equipped with significantly larger trays than the ones we already had, we were able to handle this type of material in an automated warehouse. This allowed for better management of the picking operations, and consequently, improved responsiveness in terms of assembly service. In 2015, this Modula systems were integrated with an automated warehouse for large pallets. Numerous smaller size pieces are now all stored within the Modula units, while larger or heavier items, or those in larger quantities, are stored in the pallets of the other automated warehouse. The two systems communicate through an interface that exchanges data automatically, and everything is fed back into our management software. This allows us to always keep an eye on the stock level and consequently have real-time control over the flow of items in and out of the warehouse. In terms of material retrieval, our approach has evolved over the years, and we have adopted the logic of preparing the necessary materials for assembly in advance. Typically, our colleagues in the office create the picking lists. These picking lists are then processed using the Modula systems, and the material are systematically distributed onto blue carts. After this, our warehouse team focuses on retrieving the bulkier and heavier parts located in the pallets warehouse. Preparing the materials in advance ensures that there are no production stoppages or moments where people are waiting for materials from the warehouse. Our goal is to always provide them with everything they need to carry out their tasks efficiently.